What's up, everyone? And welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to improve your flexibility for better workouts. If you're someone who enjoys working out, whether it be weightlifting, running, or even just yoga, having good flexibility is essential for achieving your goals. Not only does it reduce your risk of injury, but it also improves your overall performance. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about using a foam roller. Foam rolling is a technique used to self-massage your muscles and fascia, which is the connective tissue that surrounds your muscles. By using a foam roller before and after your workout, you can help improve your flexibility by breaking up any knots or tightness in your muscles. When foam rolling, make sure to focus on areas that are tight or sore, like your calves, quads, and hamstrings. And don't forget to take your time and breathe deeply to help your muscles relax. Next, let's talk about using resistance bands to improve your flexibility. Resistance bands are a great tool for stretching because they allow you to target specific muscles and increase the intensity of your stretch. To use a resistance band, place it around the muscle you want to stretch and slowly pull on the band until you feel a comfortable stretch. Hold the stretch for 10-15 seconds and then release. Repeat this process a few times and switch to the other side. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of yoga for improving your flexibility. Yoga is an excellent way to improve your flexibility because it combines stretching with mindfulness and deep breathing. Some yoga poses that can help improve your flexibility include downward dog, pigeon pose, and lizard pose. These poses target your hips, hamstrings, and lower back, which are all common areas of tightness for many people. As always, remember, improving your flexibility is a process, and it takes time and consistency. But by incorporating these tips into your workout routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your flexibility goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.